It's been a good 5 years since I built my very own custom PC. At that point in time, the Indian uncle at Simlim was very enthused to help a young boy build his computer. But now, being my age, I'm the Indian uncle, so I gotta be building my own computers, right? I'm your host Thiru, and today I'm gonna build my very own custom PC. This is Random Review Squad. Shh. As you can see, my very kind brother has surprised me with a huge logo, billboard kind of thing. So I'm kind of invested in this YouTube thing now, which means I require a much more powerful PC that is capable of video editing, streaming, and music mixing and doing work and all that, and of course playing games. So I got into contact once again with my guy at SUMO CS to get me some parts for my custom build. The motherboard for today's build is the sleek looking GIGABYTE X570 GAMEMAX that comes in a black color and has ample USB 2 and 3 ports for the peripherals that I need. We got the Ryzen 7 3700X as my CPU with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a max clock of 4.4 GHz. Surprisingly comes with a beautiful RGB Wraith cooler. AMD is currently the crown king of value, and its CPUs are beating Intel out of the court. I've been wanting to switch to Team Red for quite some time now, and now is a better time than any. I also got a 512GB ADATA XPG SX8200 Pro SSD because I am desperately in need of more space. But of course, me being extra and also loving more bling, one fan is not enough, so I got the JONSBO ANGELEYES 360 liquid cooler that has 3 RGB fans on the 360mm radiator and RGB lighting on the CPU cooling unit. The case is a custom case imported from China. It's an E80X case, and as you can see or will see, it's pretty damn big. The case was done by a small shop somewhere in Shenzhen. The case is made out of aluminium and the transparent panels are acrylic. There were some issues with screw mounting, but we got past it. Due to its size, there is some warping, and I do not recommend transporting after building it. Otherwise, the case looks stunning and it really gives a whole professional vibe. For my PSU, I've got the GAMEMAX 850 watt 80 plus gold RGB PSU. This is a modular PSU, so the cables were actually pretty easy to connect up and cable manage. It's a brand many probably have not heard of, but I've been told it's pretty trustworthy, and I trust my man at SUMO CS. Also, I'm going to be reusing some of my old drives. My graphics card is the GeForce RTX 2070 Super from MSI. It's got 8 gigs of DDR6 memory, which is a sweet spot for performance and price. It has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port, so connecting multiple screens isn't an issue. I also got some custom sleeve cables from SUMO CS and in white, so it reflects the colors of the LEDs. Now this build was pretty fun to build because 1, it's mine, and 2, the large case and modular PSU made cable management much more of a breeze compared to the previous build. I also had less worry on fan placements and was more occupied with the problem of too much free space in the case. So I decided to actually mount the hard disk drive in front, even though there was space to mount it behind. But of course I was able to finish this build under 3 hours, and it felt like it was worth the time. I was able to finish this build under 3 hours, so I'm pretty proud of myself. It was an enjoyable build. Not many builds can finish under 3 hours. Like Michael's build took me an entire night and day. So, well, that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you got any tips and tricks about PC building, or you want to suggest what you want to see next in our channel, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. Until then, I'm your host Thiru, and this is Random Review Squad.